Today guys, ang topic natin for today is engineering economy naman. Okay, what is the key points about economy? Yung annuity. What is annuity? Okay, a series of equal payments or receipt made at equal intervals of time for a specified number of periods. Okay, review lang ito sa engineering economy. So, key points dito is equal payments. Okay. Ano pa? Interest rates. Okay. Yung interest and durations. So, there are three types of engineering economy. So, merong ordinary annuity. Annuity due. This is ordinary annuity due. And perpetuity. Okay. Ito yung special case with infinite number of payments. Yun yung perpetuity. Okay. So, there are nine topics in engineering economy. Okay, let's solve each topic with one problem. Okay, like future value or single sum. Okay, the problem is invest 5,000 at 8% compounded annually. Okay, this is compounded annually for 5 years. What is the future value? Okay, so future value, formula niya is simply present na worth multiplied by 1 plus interest or rate raised to the number of years. So ang P, ito yung present value. So 5,000 times 1 plus what is the interest? 8%. So percentage, gawin natin decimal, raised to what after 5 years. This is the N. So compute future value is equals to 7,346.64. This is approximately pesos. Okay. So next video naman yung present worth. Okay. See you guys. Thank you.